Step number 1. Pick a niche. Step number 2. Sign up on Amazon Associates. Step number 3. Create a short video. Step number 4. Upload short video on your YouTube channel. Step number 5. Earn money while you sleep. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money on YouTube Shorts without making videos in 2022 with Amazon affiliate marketing, this is the best video for you. This method is very new and still not very popular. If you're going to make money with it, you need to act fast before others do it. Therefore, make sure you keep watching this video with attention until the end so that you won't miss any highly important details. Before I guide you through this easy and super effective make money online method, let me first give you an idea of what shorts are. YouTube Shorts are short vertical videos that are a maximum of 60 seconds long. This feature is still very new and has become very popular. Some shorts have already skyrocketed. They are reaching millions and millions of views on YouTube. Shorts are gaining more popularity day by day, and it is only a matter of time before it will be more popular than TikTok or Instagram. That means there are so many audiences who are waiting for your short videos. That means we have a huge number of potential customers to whom you can sell merchandise or promote products and earn lots of money from affiliate commissions. In simple words, you can make big money with shorts. And I am going to teach you step by step properly how to make money online with your YouTube Shorts from scratch. Now, the first thing you will need to do is give a like to this video. And the next thing you need to do is find a profitable niche. The choice of the niche is essential because we will be focusing on making money with the power of affiliate marketing, not from YouTube ads. Affiliate marketing means you promote somebody's product through an affiliate link. You can promote different products in your description box. For example, if your audience is interested in gadgets, the best would be to upload your shorts in the tech review niche and promote some cool gadgets in your channel. All you have to do is type your niche in the YouTube search bar. Then watch some videos to get some ideas for your shorts. For example, if you type gadgets in the YouTube search bar, you will find a lot of channels that are doing this successfully. This one is called New Smart Utilities. They've uploaded over 300 videos, and they have over 154,000 subscribers. They're getting around 4 million views in the last 30 days. If you check their description, you can see they're putting Amazon affiliate links in their description box and driving viewers to the Amazon website. If anybody purchases a product from their affiliate links, they will get an affiliate commission from that purchase. And this is the best way to make money from YouTube Shorts without the monetization. And the fantastic thing is that they did not create a single video themselves. Here is another channel called New Gadgets. They are also doing the same thing. Now the next step is to leave a comment below your most favorite gadget. It can be an iPhone, Samsung, PS5, Xbox, or any gadget, because we are planning a giveaway in the future. Now the next actual step is to sign up on Amazon Associates. You can use many different affiliate marketplaces, but in this tutorial, we will use Amazon as our affiliate marketplace. You can sign up there for free. Once you're registered on Amazon, you can grab your referral link for the product you want to promote through your shorts. You can expect to earn up to 10% affiliate commission. That means if someone buys a product worth $100, you can make up to $10. How much money you can make will depend on which type of product you are promoting. If you promote luxury products, you can earn up to 10%. But if you are promoting technology products, you can earn around 7 to 8% commission. So it really depends on which product you're promoting. Now sign into your Amazon Associates account. You can sign in by clicking this button right here. But if you don't have an account, you have to click on Create Your Amazon Account button. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Here you can create an account by entering your name, email, and password. It is so simple. When you finish it, go to Amazon and search for the product that you're trying to promote. When you find the product, copy your affiliate link and paste it into the description box. When someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission. Step number 3 is to create your short video. Creating is not the appropriate expression because you won't be making any video. You will be re-uploading and reusing content you found online and transforming that content into a YouTube short video. This method is called fair use. You may be wondering what fair use is. Fair use is a doctrine in United States law that permits limited use of copyrighted material without first acquiring permission from the copyright holder. Fair use is one of the limitations to copyright intended to balance the interests of copyright holders, the public interest in the wider distribution and use of creative works by allowing as a defense to copyright infringement claims. specific limited uses that might otherwise be considered infringement. Don't worry, it's 100% legal to use. Now, what I don't want you to do is to download some of those videos, trim some parts, and re-upload them as a short on your channel, because that would be stealing, and you would sooner or later get a copyright strike or lose your YouTube channel. It's a little bit risky, but don't worry. I will show you another more straightforward way to get this without any copyright issue. If you go to TikTok and search for gadgets, you will find these videos. Almost all of them have been created by the product owner, which is perfect for us. Now you need to find a product that you want to promote. Once you find a product to promote, you need to find it on Amazon. After that, add an affiliate link in the description of your video. Then you can start to drive to viewers by using a call to action so that they can purchase this product from you. And I will show you how you can do it. So all you need to do is, you need to click on any video that you like most. Then copy this link from here. Once you copy this link, you need to go over this website called ssstick.io. This website allows us to download this video without a watermark. Now you have to paste your copied link here for download. Once you have downloaded, you will need a video editor to add a call to action on this video. I would recommend you to use a website called canva.com. Canva is a complete design tool for anyone who isn't an experienced designer. Nowadays, you can edit videos by using Canva without any cost. You can sign up there for free. Once you're logged in, click on Video and choose a video format that you want to use. Then choose Mobile Video or TikTok Video here. Now, you are being directed to the editing module of Canva. What I want you to do next is to upload your downloaded clip by clicking on the Uploads button. Remember, shorts are not supposed to be longer than 60 seconds. Once it's uploaded, drag and drop the first clip onto the editing space. Now, adjust the size and the alignment. When you are happy with the alignment, click on the text button to add text to your video. You can place it above and below on your video. Write something like product link in the description, or something similar. This is called call to action text, where you inform potential customers to go to your affiliate link. Repeat the entire process with your second clip by adding another page from here. Once you have finished editing, click on Download to download your Shorts video to your device. Before we go to the final step, make sure you subscribe us by clicking the subscribe button for more surprising ways to make money online. Now the final step is to upload your Shorts video. Log into your YouTube account and upload your Shorts which you downloaded from Canva. Add an excellent title containing the viral hashtag #shorts and type a superb description. But don't forget to add your Amazon referral link to your description. After that, add some tags right here. You can use vidIQ for viral tag research. In that way, you will increase the chances of getting more views. To be 100% safe and protected by a fair use agreement, I would recommend you also give credits to the original uploader of the clips. In addition, you can also record a short voiceover with some information about the product. That way, your video will apply to terms of fair use. I have shown you how you can easily create and upload shorts from scratch. But you won't make thousands and thousands of dollars with only 1, 2, or 3 of those shorts. If you want to make decent money from affiliate commissions using YouTube Shorts, you will need to upload many of them. And you will need to upload consistently to trigger YouTube's algorithm to promote your videos to more people. The method I have shown you in this tutorial is very easy. You can upload 10, 20, or even 50 of them every day. If you want to earn money fast online and cash out in just 17 minutes, watch this video.